What's up, YouTube? So a couple things. The truck is back from the shop. Let's take a look at this. Got 6.5 inch BDS lift, Fox shocks, painted up the frame a little bit, Moto Metal 970s, and Middle Ridge grapplers. So this video is, I never understood why these trucks have this plastic cover on the front, but never had anything back here. Leaves your frame all exposed, leaves up here all exposed, just leaves a lot of room for rust and salt to gather up. So today, and this is actually a shout out to Endless Wishlist. Go check him out, because he's the one that actually said something about these Rough Country inner fender liners. Got them off Amazon for, I think it was $88 or something, which isn't too bad. So today we're going to install these. So here we're on the passenger side. The instructions say to start on the passenger side for whatever reason. Some people say you should take the wheel off. I'm not going to do that. I think there's enough room here to get that off. So what you're going to do is remove these bolts first on this bracket with 13mm, and then this is thin enough plastic, so I guess you could just kind of fold it up under here. Hold on one second. So it fits pretty good in here. You're really going to have to fight with it, getting it around these corners. Right here, and especially right here. But that looks so much cleaner than before. And then just put these bolts back up in here. And 2 on the bottom. Let me make sure that's lined up. And I'll show the other one putting it on. Right.
What time is it?
Now we do the other side. It's, hold on, it's 5:09. Right here. You hold this and record me putting it on. Just, oh, your hand's blocking it. You have to hold it with this one. All right.
Okay.
Okay. And some of the dirt out. you doing? That side went in a lot easier. Alright, so it's all done. What do I think? Well, in terms of looks, way better. At least I don't have to worry about rocks or anything getting stuck in this frame. And I really wanted to put these on because Wildwood Truck Invasion is this weekend. So I don't need sand getting all up in here. Oh, here comes the rain. So only time will tell how this looks, but I love it.